I'm Rob B. Welcome to the Rock and Roll Toolkit. This is a series of 5-minute videos where I'm going to give you one specific tool in each video that you can start using today so you sound like a proper rock and roll piano player, okay? No sheet music, no boring scales or anything like that, just the real good stuff. So let's get going. Today, we're going to talk about, I'm going to show you how to play the blue note. Okay, this is the magic blue note that makes your rock and roll sound like rock and roll, okay? You can hear it, but you probably can't quite see it yet. So let's zoom in on my right hand. With my left hand, for now, I'll show you, I'm just going to play this, which is C, G, and C and A. But when you're first starting, you could just play a single note. But I'm going to play it like this. And instead of, with your right hand, instead of doing that, playing the C chord to the F in the second position chord, and back to the C chord, instead of playing it straight, we're going to do this. Can you hear the difference? And what I'm doing is, let's zoom right in on my fingers. I'm sliding up with this finger from there to there, from the E flat to the E. And once you've got that, you can do that finger as well. So you go. So instead of going, go. Doesn't it sound better, that? Doesn't that sound so much better? And start slowly. Then let's speed up. So if we were playing a 12-bar rock and roll or blues sequence, the next chord would be an F. And you can do exactly the same thing there. Except we're going up to the second chord is a B flat in this sequence when you're on the F. Left hand stays the same with the same shape. Then back to the C. And then the third chord is a G going up to a C. And you can do the same again with those two fingers. So. What I'd like you to do is practice doing this, doing that. Well, at first it might feel difficult and ham-fisted, but the more you do it, the simpler it gets and the easier it is to do. And it just becomes natural. I can't help myself. Get on the piano and play some rock and roll. I do that. Don't do that. Do's that. So I want you to practice doing the C chord, the F chord, and the G chord, but doing those. That's the C, now the F. Now the G. F, and back to the beginning again. That's a 12-bar blues, okay? So that's it for this week. Next week, I'm going to show you how to do the high energy slide. Think Jerry Lee Lewis, yeah.